Every business owner wants to earn more. But most forget one number that decides whether their business will survive or die. It's called net profit margin, and today, I'll show you how to check if your business is healthy or slowly sinking. Net profit margin is the percentage of money left after you pay everything: suppliers, rent, salaries, electricity, taxes, delivery, everything. If your business earns 100 pesos, your net profit margin should be at least 8 pesos. Meaning your target is minimum net profit margin equals 8%. Don't worry, the formula is super simple. Net profit margin equals net profit divided by revenue times 100. Revenue equals your total sales. Net profit equals money left after all expenses. Let's say you own a Sari-sari store in Cavite. Monthly sales, 50,000 pesos. Total expenses, 46,000 pesos. This includes goods, kuryente, rent, snacks for the kids visiting your tindahan, everything. Your net profit equals 50,000 pesos, 46,000 pesos equals 4,000 pesos. Now calculate the margin. 4,000 pesos divided by 50,000 pesos times 100 equals 8%. Congratulations, your store is healthy. You're hitting the minimum. But what if a milk tea shop in Quezon City earns monthly sales, 200,000 pesos. Expenses: ingredients, 70,000 pesos. Staff salaries, 60,000 pesos. Rent, 35,000 pesos. Utilities, 10,000 pesos. Marketing, delivery fees, etc., 15,000 pesos. Total expenses equals 190,000 pesos. Net profit equals 10,000 pesos. Calculate the margin. 10,000 pesos divided by 200,000 pesos times 100 equals 5%. This is a problem. You're earning, but barely surviving. A 5% net profit margin is a warning sign. An 8% margin means your pricing is correct. Your expenses are under control. You have enough buffer for slow months. You can reinvest into inventory, equipment, and staff. Below 8% means you're constantly stressed, always short on cash, and one bad month can wipe you out. If your margin is below 8%, here's how to fix it fast. Increase prices slightly, even 2 to 3% helps. Reduce waste, ingredients, electricity, spoiled items. Negotiate suppliers, get discounts for bulk purchases. Cut non-essential expenses, subscriptions, extra staff hours. Upsell or bundle, higher value products increase margin. Remember, sales don't make a business successful. Profit does. Track your net profit margin monthly, because hitting that 8% target might be the line between growing and closing.